Hi everyone and welcome to Sucre and Sweet. Today I am making a watermelon lantern for our first barbecue of the season. First, I need to empty the watermelon, and I will do so by cutting a hole at the bottom and emptying the flesh. Of course, no part of the watermelon is wasted. I will keep this and later on mix it up with ice to make fun slushies for the kids. Then you need to create your design. Today I am making a very simple flower pattern, but of course you could also print and trace an image that you like. Because I am going to place a candle in it later, I will be cutting a hole at the top of my lantern to let some of the heat out. You could also make lanterns without candles to be displayed during the day, like this one. Then just go ahead and cut out your pattern. You can easily erase your markings with a little dish soap and water. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.